Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, in general, as you can see, guys, the postponing of the discussion, the possible Syria strike in the Congress, not significantly has hit the euro currency. Mostly, it has impacted on the gold market. And in fact, here we see the same picture as yesterday. Market now is trying to shift trend to the bullish side. In fact, mostly speaking, that market continued to coil right below the resistance area that we have discussed yesterday. That's the monthly pivot point. It has been tested. The market now stands right below it, and that is also the 50% resistance of that swing to the downside. So that is significant level on the daily time frame. Our medium-term analysis, as we have said in our weekly research, suggests the taking out of these highs based on the pattern that market has formed on the previous week on the weekly time frame. And we will monitor this situation from that perspective. This scenario probably could fail if market will take out of these lows. So you can see until these lows will not be taken out, the chances of the upward continuation and taking out of these highs still exist. Well, it's nothing to add more on the daily time frame. You can see that was inside trading session to this move to the upside when it was announced that on the political steps in the resolving of the Syria turmoil with the chemical weapon. You know that, well, today currently market also is showing very small candle. It's now also looks like the inside session. We will see what will happen within the day, but currently it's also very small. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, it's the same picture, although currently we have some more signs that some retracement to the downside could happen. Here, in fact, you can see that market has tested once this area, small bounce, second test, bounce again. Now the major question here stands on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we have, as I said, another bearish moment with this action. So take a look. That was the wash and rinse of these highs. And the first thing that comes to my mind is that this is very typical for the double tops pattern. Although we quite rare could see such patterns on the forex market, at least on the euro currency. Personally, I do not remember exactly when I saw the double top pattern forming on the intraday charts on the euro currency, but just this kind of action is very typical for that pattern. When the second top, when it's forming slightly high, taking out the stops and washing out the previous top, that's very typical, and then starts to forming of the double top. Well, this possible scenario seems not as impossible, because we know that market stands at the resistance. So we're at the 50% resistance, we're at monthly pivot point, and some bounce down could happen. Besides, if you take a look again on the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that this is, in fact, as we said yesterday, first reversal swing. That is the first swing to the upside that is greater than previous swing down. That's the first swing when the market is creating greater high than previous. So it has broken the tendency of lower lows, lower highs with this action. Usually after that, market shows some a bit extended retracement, at least the 50%. Well, that's very typical for behavior. That happens because of the existing downward momentum that prevent market from the just free move to the upside. It presses on the market and forces it to show a bit deeper retracement to solve this momentum, to reduce it, and then market could continue move in the direction that it likes to do. Well, that's why this pattern now looks logical. Well, we'll see what will happen if market still will form this pattern. This will be the double top pattern. Well, in this case, The possible target is the distance between the neck and the head and the tops, counted to the downside and direction of the breakout. It points on the level around 131.75. So that will be probably somewhere around 618 or maybe 50% around 131.90 area, approximately in this level. Well, if market will form this retracement will be absolutely reasonable. It's nothing curious with it. It's normal in this current environment. So let's see what will happen. If market will pass through this, maybe market will form some, I don't know, maybe some another pattern, maybe some bearish wedge will be formed here or something of that sort. Also possible, but appearing of the double top pattern will be just nicely looking if it will happen. Well, if market will pass through this resistance, well, in this case probably we will see the continuation to the upside. Since, as I said, on the daily time frame, our target is right here, and in general our context is bullish, we just search the possibility to take the long position. And since as we stand at the resistance and market now showing potential for the retracement, we will try to use it for taking the long position on the EUR market. Well, so let's see what will happen with this pattern. Price action is very gradual currently. I hope we will get our chance to come on board, and I'm trying to join with this significant bullish stop grabber that has been formed on the previous week on the weekly time frame.